Hi, I'm Nicole from OrangeTee and Thai. Today, we're here at Cascadia, a freehold condominium located in the prestigious district of Bukit Timah. Today, we're going to show you a renovated penthouse unit, which could be your next home. Let's go! When the owner of this penthouse bought it over from the developer, it was just another ordinary unit like many other condo units. But he refused to settle for the mundane. So, he spent a few $100,000 to give the unit a bold and complete overhaul. So there you have it, a modern and chic industrial look that reimagines spaces. This is a home for someone who appreciates quality, who loves to entertain, and who lives life to the fullest. This 3-bedroom duplex penthouse has a total area of 2,971 square feet, with the living areas on the lower level and an open-air roof terrace above it. From the living room, you not only get a great interactive view of the open kitchen, you also enjoy much privacy and a great green view outside. Versatility is the key here. The original concrete walls of this third bedroom has been taken down to make way for 2 sliding doors instead. So when you entertain and need a bigger living space, you've got it. Now if you have a guest coming over to bunk in for the night, all you need to do is to slide these doors closed, draw the curtains, and there you have it. Perfectly functional, great bedroom. The focal point of this unit, and in fact my personal favourite in this entire beautiful property, is this open concept kitchen. Don't you agree with me that this looks as good as, if not better than, many of the kitchens we see in those celebrity chefs videos on YouTube? In fact, I would say that this is totally MasterChef worthy. And mind you, it doesn't just look good, it is totally functional and very well equipped with top-notch appliances like this industrial-sized cooker hood, induction cooker, oven, and a very sleek and convenient dishwasher. There is even a separate beverage chiller. I mean, when you have a beautiful home like that, you're going to entertain a lot, right? So your guests don't have to open your fridge and see your 3 nights worth of leftovers just to get a drink. And that's just for the sodas and juices, okay? There is even a separate wine chiller for your collection. Who likes renovation, right? So if you don't like the hassle of renovation, this is a good property to buy because all the thinking and planning has been done for you. Just bring your luggage in. The master bedroom enjoys lots of natural light and unblocked views of Bukit Timah. It is such a relaxing view, don't you agree? You'll also appreciate the fact that the units of the block across this penthouse do not directly face the bedroom. Thoughtful features such as built-in storage running the length of the bay window have also been incorporated so that the room is neat and uncluttered. This spacious ensuite bathroom has 3 distinct areas: a standing shower area to the left, the double vanity in the middle, and a bathtub and WC to the right. No more fighting over who gets to use the bathroom first. At the end of the hallway and off to the right of it is the common bedroom. It has a regular layout and fits more than a single bed as well as a work table. This will be great as a kid's bedroom, a home office, or a guest room. Now that we've seen how this lower floor of this beautiful penthouse is thoughtfully and functionally laid out, let us move now to the Sky Terrace, which marks the epitome of how one can live our life to the fullest. Let's go! You know, with COVID-19, lockdowns and movement restrictions becoming fast the norm in our world today, having such a house is really precious. Why? Because, you know, I know how difficult and miserable it is to be confined to the walls of your home. But in any lockdown, or even when you just want to stay at home and feel safe, having a sky terrace like this is really precious. So with a house like this, life is good, even in a lockdown. I have 1,000,001 ideas as to what to do when I have a sky terrace like this. Beautiful. I can grow my own organic herb garden, have my vegetable garden, dine under the stars, turn this into a very nice lounging area and dining patio, and actually even just having a glass of wine every night after a stressful day at work would be very nice. What are you looking for in your next home? Are you willing to settle for just the typical and ordinary home that everyone else has? Or are you looking for a home, an extraordinary home, that can reward you with a lifestyle that other people travel overseas to enjoy? This home marries the best of both worlds. It's got functionality and comfort for your day-to-day living, and a private sanctuary upstairs in the sky terrace that you can enjoy that many people do not have. If you don't want to settle for the ordinary, this could be the extraordinary that you've been looking for all your life. I'm Nicole from OrangeTee and Thai. Call me, let me show you how we can make that happen.
Call our AAG Real Estate Consultant to find out more.
AAG, the #1 top division in OrangeTee and Thai.